Hello, I am Emiko Garcia from the Philippines, and I work in human resources for a cooperative focused on employment and community development. My policy idea centers on promoting social justice by scaling inclusive employment through youth-led cooperative hubs. Many young people today face serious challenges in finding decent and stable jobs, especially those from underserved communities. Underemployment, job insecurity, and limited access to formal work continue to affect youth worldwide, creating a cycle of poverty and exclusion. Traditional solutions often fall short, focusing only on short term employment without addressing deeper systemic issues. That's why I believe cooperatives, specifically youth led cooperatives, can offer a more sustainable and empowering solution. My policy proposal encourages governments and local communities to invest in youth-led cooperative hubs that provide young people with the tools, skills, and support to start their own worker-owned enterprises. This policy idea has three components. First, I propose government-funded skills training and incubation programs specifically for youth cooperatives. These programs would teach cooperative management, entrepreneurship, and community leadership, helping young people create their own sustainable enterprises that meet local needs. Second, I would recommend providing tax incentives or grant programs for companies that support or partner with cooperatives. This could encourage more businesses to collaborate with cooperatives. Of course, it creates stronger supply chains and expanding market opportunities for youth-led initiatives. And lastly, I propose integrating the cooperatives into local government employment programs. By making cooperatives part of, part of official employment strategies, we can ensure that more young people, especially those from the marginalized groups, are included in the community development plans and given the opportunity to thrive. These policies together can create a ripple effect, not only creating decent jobs for young people, but also empowering them to lead and transform their communities. In my work with the cooperatives, I've seen how this model doesn't just provide employment, it also builds leadership, fosters democratic participation, and encourages solidarity. This policy idea matters to me because it addresses both employment challenges and social justice in a practical, community-based way. I believe through cooperatives, young people can become not just workers, but change makers, building enterprises that reflect their values that directly benefit their communities. So through IFWY, I hope that this proposal can spark meaningful dialogue and inspire others to explore cooperative models as powerful tools for social justice. I look forward to learning from other youth leaders and thank you for listening. Thank you so much. Bye.